kids, let's make slime. You know how to make a slime? I'm making a slime monster. And this slime activity over here. Goose solution is here. Let's put goose solution in the bowl. Look at that. We turn the bowl of slime activity. Now I want to see it too. That's it too. That's it. Agitate, agitate, agitate. That's funny. Agitate. It's coming like this.